Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll be learning how to install XAMPP in Windows 10. So let's get started. So just go to your browser and search for download XAMPP for Windows. Now just go to the first link, that is apachefriends.org. Now just click on which version you want to install. We'll install the latest one, which is the 8.1.1. So I'll just click on download here. Now the download has been started. I'll resume the video when the download is complete. Okay, so now the download has been complete. I'll just click on this installer to start the installation. I'll click on yes. I'll just click on OK. This is just a warning. Now I'll click on next. I'll click on next again. And then I'll click on next again. Next. I'll just close this and go back to the installer and just click on next again. And now the installation has been started. Then now here it asks for the firewall access. I'll just click on allow access. And now I'll click on finish. Now if I just click on this arrow and just right click on this XAMPP control and just click on show hide, the XAMPP control panel will be shown. From here we can start individual services or all services at once. I'll just click on start Apache and start MySQL. So here you can see both Apache and MySQL has been started. I'll just click on allow access. So here you can see Apache has been started on port 80 and 443 and MySQL has started on port 3306. So this was all on how to install XAMPP on Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.